Another video brought to you by Rakuten. As you can see here, I'm getting paid by me just referring others to shop with Rakuten. I got paid. I'm getting my paycheck in the mailbox on that day, 08725. But you can see here, my lifetime earnings cashback member since 6/11/2022 is $93.95. Don't take my word for it. There you go. I'm getting cash back. Cash back from Rakuten by telling others, referring others with Rakuten. Y'all say you can't make no money. Y'all can't say you can't refer nobody and make sure they make some money. This is a free $30 for me by me referring others. I have my best friend looking to save some money. He didn't want to pay $600 or $1,000. I told him a story about Rakuten. Have you heard of Rakuten? No, it's a savings app. It's a worldwide business. How does it work? I told him a story that all you do, if you want to book travel, hotel, food, you'll save a whole lot. Half the cost, percentage. 30%, 40%, 50%, it doesn't matter. He's not spending $600 on no hotel stay. He's only paying a fraction of what he's booking for 2 days, 3 days, 4 nights, whatever. If it's $600 somewhere else, it's going to be less than that. It's going to be half of that. $300 or less. It depends on the savings and it depends on the percentage. Travel, the same thing. If you want to book your travel right now, I know it's not cheap booking a travel by $500. That's about $250, $300 when you go through Rakuten. It's no brainer. I'm doing a number in my head right now. All you do is book your stay with Rakuten and see how much you can save with Rakuten. Book your stay, a hotel stay with Rakuten, and see how much you can save right now. Join Rakuten today. I make 30, you make 32. You make $30, I make $30. No brainer, like you see here. Yes, indeed, like you see here. You make $30 each time you use Rakuten. Rakuten is a worldwide app business. It's a business in one shopping mall. It's a big mall, online mall. What you're looking for, if you're hungry, you'll save a whole lot. All the stores we're already saving at, there you go. Make Rakuten your best friend. Make Rakuten your savings club. This is almost like Costco on steroids. You save a lot of percentage with Rakuten. You save with Rakuten. There you go. Earn more. Get 30 for every friend you refer. Refer are unlimited. And they get 30 too. All right, thanks. Come back with you again with another video. Thank you.